Let us do question number 10 of ICSE Class 10th, chapter number 3, question number 10. Question number 10, in which it is given that the number of share is 1000, face value is rupees 5, market value is rupees 7, dividend per annum is 8%. So the amount of money invested will be equal to the number of the share into market value, that will be equal to 1000 into 7, that is equal to 7000. This will be the one answer. Annual income, number of shares into face value into dividend percentage is equal to 1000 into 5 into 8 by 100. Solve it, you will get the answer 400. Now return or yield percentage, that is income divided by investment into 100. So here income is 400 whole divided by 7000 into 100, it will be equal to 5.714. Now question number 11. In this question number 11, number of shares is 10,000. Nominal value or the face value is rupees 100. Annual dividend is given, that is 8%. So the total amount of dividend paid by the company is equal to 10,000 into 100 into 8 by 100. That is number of shares into face value into rate of dividend, that is equal to 80,000. Now the second part of it is number of share, that is 90 into market value. Number of share is 90, market value is 150. So the investment is equal to number of shares into market value, that will be equal to 90 into 150. It will be equal to 13,500. So the income will be equal to number of shares into face value into annual dividend percentage, that is 90 into 100 into 8 by 100 will be equal to rupees 720. This will be the answer. Now the percentage return on his investment is equal to the income upon investment into 100. This will be 720 whole divided by 13,500 into 100. Solve it, you will get 5 and 1 by 3 percentage answer. Question number 12. Here the number of share is 40, face value is 100, market value is 50% of the premium, that is 100 inside the bracket 1 plus 50 by 100. Solve it, you will get 150. The market value will be rupees 150. The amount gained from this will be invested. So invest the proceeds, that is in the second case, that is nominal value is 75, discount is 20%, dividend is 25%. So on selling the 40 shares at rupees 150, he will get 40 into 150, that will be 6,000. This 6,000 will be utilized in purchasing the shares of this nominal value, where discount is given, dividend is 25%. So the 6,000 divided by 75 inside the bracket 1 minus 20 by 100, because the 20% is discount. So further you solve it, 6,000 multiplied by 5 whole divided by 75 into 4, it will be equal to 100. So the number of shares is 100 here. The annual dividend is equal to the number of shares into face value into dividend percentage, that is 100 into 75 into 25 by 100, it will be equal to 1875. Now question number 13. Here the number of shares is 1600. Face value is rupees 100. Dividend is equal to 12% per annum. Market value is 150. So the investment will be equal to 1600 into 150. So the annual income in rupees will be 1600 into 100 into 12 by 100. Now the yield return percentage will be equal to, that will be the income. This is complete, you write down in the numerator part. So that is 1600 into 100 into 12 divided by 100 whole divided by, that is investment is 1600 into 150 into, in the numerator part multiply it by 100. So you will get 2 into 4, that is 8. This will be the answer for the question number 13. Now let us proceed to the question number 14. Here the investment is 11,200. Dividend is 6% per annum. Face value is 100. Market value is 140. So the number of shares will be equal to 11,200 whole divided by 140. You solve it, you will get 80. So the number of shares is 80. The annual income, that is number of shares into face value into dividend percentage, that is 80 into 100 whole divided by into 6 by 100. This will be equal to 480. Percentage income on his investment will be equal to 480 upon 11,200 into 100. It will be 30 by 7. Further you solve it, you will get 4 and 2 by 7 percentage. Now the question number 15. Capital stock is given, that is 4,50,000. Dividend is 4% semi-annually. Now once you convert it into annual, it will become 8%. The number of shares is 135. Face value is rupees 10. Market value is also 10. So the annual income will be equal to 135 into 10 into 8 by 100. Is further solve it, you will get the answer 108. The total amount of dividend paid annually by the company will be equal to 4,50,000 divided by 10 multiplied by face value. That will be, the face value is 10, dividend percentage is 8 by 100. So you will get 36,000. In this way we have completed the exercise 3A. In the next video we will come across the 3B. That's all.